welcome to my channel. Tomorrow I'm going on my first ever work trip. It's to the Ritz-Carlton and I've never done both, so it's a nice 2-in-1. But right now I think it's like 8:30 the day before and I need to pack my makeup. I need to wash my hair the day before I went out, so it smells like hookah and I don't want to smell like hookah on my first work trip. Yeah. If I have enough time when I'm there, I might do a little snippet of like the hotel and everything like that. So let's get to it. Okay, so my wig is currently drying. I took a shower and everything, so that is done. Currently now, I just got this bag from Amazon. It's a toiletry bag and it just has all these different compartments for when you're traveling. So right now, I'm going to focus on that. I'm going to fill this all up with all the things that I would need for like a full glam makeup. I've already gotten things that are 3 ounces. I got a different edge control that can pass through the airlines and things like that. So we're going to fill this out now. Ooh, also it has this hanger so you can hang it in the hotel and things like that. So it's cute. And there you go. This is what it looks like. So I try to organize by how I think it makes sense. Here I put my small skin, simple care things. Then I put my lip stuff here, like my lip liner, my lip glosses, things like that, things that are tiny. I then put my brushes here with my hair gel comb. I thought that makes sense with my powder brush. And I put my powders here, which is also my creams. So I put my powders and creams. So I have my setting powder, my finishing powder, I have my bronzer, I have my blush, I have like different types of powders. And then here I have just my other face things. So like my eyebrow pencil, my concealer, my setting spray, things like that, primer. It actually fits a whole ton. Like this is my first time using it. Yeah, this is cute. And like I said, this is the hanger, so you can just hang it. Let's see if I can hang it. Yeah, just like this. It works perfectly. And then after this, we can go to packing my actual clothes. So I've been keeping everything on the side of my bed for a while, for like this whole week, but I'm gonna go move this to my closet, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I have. So I have this bag. This is usually my work bag, but it actually is like a carry-on bag, and it has that section where you can put the handle through here and everything. These are the outfits that I got from Shein for the 3-day event. Everything is pink because your girl loves pink. So this is what I'm wearing. They're all dresses and they're all like cozy since I'm going to be working the booth. 2 options of flats. Who is literally like wearing heels. I have this pink bag that I thought would match everything since it is just for 3 days. This is the luggage I got from Amazon for $85. It was on sale and it's called the Hank luggage. It's called the Hank luggage, and I did some research and apparently it's supposed to have a lot of space. So let's open it. Oh, it has a lock on it. So So I don't know if this is gonna work, but this is currently my wig. It's wet with leave-in conditioner, and I need this dried by tomorrow. This usually takes a few days for it to be dry, so I'm gonna use this under to hopefully like do something because I just can't. Maybe we like put it under here like this and lower this so this could make this dry or something. Hopefully that works. Okay, so it's currently on high heat and it's just on top of here like this. So hopefully it does something. I put here a towel just in case, but the heat hopefully transfers and dries this fast.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey y'all, it's the next day, so I'm gonna take a shower and do my makeup and get ready to go to the airport right now. So I'm done. This is the look. I am about to head to the airport in a few minutes once my boyfriend gets here, and I'll show y'all the room when I get there. See y'all. All packed and ready to go. So I'm gonna walk around now and see if I can find some food somewhere. But oh, they got like a makeup mirror. They got a makeup mirror. Just noticed. But I'm gonna go see if I can find some food somewhere. Walk around. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. The event starts tomorrow.